Well, the nation's toughest immigration law could be coming to Missouri.
Well, a state lawmaker put the proposal in writing. It mirrors the words of Arizona's legislation. Ryan Katz shows us why it's so controversial. Ryan?
Elizabeth, the bill gives police the ability to ask for documentation if they're suspicious someone could be in the country illegally. Critics say it will lead to racial profiling.
Is together or separate?
Agustin Juarez has owned this Kansas City business for the past decade, but it wasn't easy getting here. 29 years ago, he came to the U.S. with his family as an illegal immigrant. He kept working and eventually earned his U.S. citizenship.
Which was not easy. It was very, very hard, but I'm proud of what I've done so far.
Tonight he read about Arizona's controversial immigration law. He worries about people being stopped by police for no reason other than their skin or accent. He said it happened to his wife recently while she was driving.
Police asked her, instead of her driving license, they asked for her Social Security. Okay, when she was driving, and we don't know up to today what was the purpose of it.
The Missouri lawmaker sponsoring a bill similar to Arizona's legislation said it's not a racial issue. Instead, he said it's about fixing a big problem in the state, especially with the unemployment rate hovering at 10%.
It's all about the rule of law.
The chapter leader of the American Patriots Coalition tracks the immigration stances of area lawmakers on playing cards. He's happy to hear a Missouri lawmaker is taking this step.
You know, you come into this country legally, you have a green card. You're supposed to carry that with you at all times. If you've got that, what's the problem? You say, here's my green card. They say, thank you, sir, ma'am, and you're on your way.
Representative Mark Parkinson plans to introduce the legislation before the session ends. However, because of the short time frame and all the budget-related items that lawmakers have on their plates, he doesn't think it will make it to the floor for a vote until next year. Ryan Katz, NBC Action News.